Welcome back to Sudden Urge Kitchen. This easy breakfast turns into something really special. These pancakes start with raspberry muffin mix, just turned into pancake batter with a few simple adjustments. Then I made a quick raspberry syrup with jam, a little water, and lemon juice until it turned glossy and warm. Add whipped cream, fresh raspberries, and suddenly it feels like a quiet little brunch moment without spending all morning cooking. When the craving hits, make an ordinary morning feel fancy.